It's a new 2019 Ford Fusion. Respond to the mundane with this stimulating Fusion. It has the composed ride, sharp handling, and safety features you're looking for in a midsize sedan. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, doors and push button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, twin turbo V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, adaptive suspension, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback, and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.